Hey guys, it's Jeff O'Connor. Welcome back to O'Connor Woodworking. Today's a big day in the shop, guys. It's the 6-month anniversary from when I received the Armor Glide table saw from Powermatic here. So I want to give you an update as to the durability of this top after many hours of use on it. As you can see as I bring it down here, we've got a lot of shine marks on there, which is really just friction polishing across the surface from different woods and jigs. No coating has been worn through at all. If I go down here into the miter slot, you can see the same thing. Now this is a real telltale of how durable that finish is, because in here, around the edges, around the base, I mean there's nothing worn off here. And I use, for runners, I got steel runners, I've got aluminum runners. Very few jigs I have a wooden runner, so very impressive to me. And also here, where I change my blades frequently, take a look in here. Again, along these edges, and you don't have anything worn away. It's a very durable finish. I'm so impressed with this saw, guys. And I've got, over the next couple of days, a couple more things I want to share with you, but durability gets an A. This saw is absolutely incredible, and I can't believe how well it's held up over 6 months of abuse in my shop. Take care, guys.